Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss 6 beauty tips to look beautiful without makeup. 1. Simple skincare routine. Follow the simple skincare routine daily. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Choose a cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or sensitive. Gently massage the cleanser onto your skin using circular motions and rinse off with lukewarm water. Use a toner to remove any remaining impurities and restore your skin's pH balance. Apply the toner to a cotton pad and swipe it over your face and neck. Apply a moisturizer to hydrate and nourish your skin. Look for a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it in upward circular motions. Allow it to absorb into your skin before moving on to the next step. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV rays. Choose a sunscreen that suits your skin type and apply it liberally to your face and neck. 2. Chapped and dark lips remedy. Apply coconut oil, a natural moisturizer that can help soothe chapped lips. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to your lips before bed and leave it on overnight for best results. Sugar scrub. Mix sugar and honey to make a lip scrub. Gently scrub your lips with this mixture for a few minutes, then rinse off with water. This can help remove dead skin cells and improve the appearance of your lips. Beetroot. Beetroot is known for its natural color and can help brighten dark lips. Cut a beetroot slice and rub it over your lips for a few minutes. Leave the juice on your lips for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with water. Almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and can help nourish and lighten dark lips. Apply a small amount of almond oil to your lips before bedtime and leave it on overnight. Rinse off in the morning. Pomegranate seeds. Crush pomegranate seeds and mix them with milk cream. Apply this mixture to your lips and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with water. This can help lighten and moisturize your lips. You can use some recommended lip balms for lip softening. Check link in the description. 3. Under eye care. Under eye care is also very essential part, so here are some tips for it. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can cause dark circles and puffiness under the eyes, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Use eye cream. Look for an eye cream with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, or caffeine. Apply it gently with your ring finger, using small tapping motions. Check link in the description. 4. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure can cause wrinkles and dark circles under the eyes, so wear sunscreen and sunglasses to protect your skin. You can use some recommended sunscreen. Check link in the description.